Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this red eyeshadow look. I've just done the eyeshadow because my base is kind of not really that interesting. So yeah, if you would like to see how I did this look with the infamous Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, then just keep watching. Okay, first I'm going to prime with the Urban Decay primer potion. Don't know what I'm saying. As you can see, I've already got my base on. If you wanted to know what I am wearing, I have the In and Urban Decay primer on. I forget which one it is. It's the pink one. Like the product is pink, I mean. I have the NYX illuminating like primer on as well, and then I have the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, a NYX little bit of cream contour, and Morphe 9C palette for bronzer, a Primark blush, a MUA highlight, which, hello, can you see that? Thank you. It's the rose gold one. I'm using the okay, I'm quickly gonna set that with the glucose colour in the Blood Sugar palette, the white one. Yeah, I'm also using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, though mine's pretty much run out, so that's annoying. I find that's the concealer that just runs out the most for me. It like has barely any product in, I would say. Okay, so I'm gonna get a fluffy brush. This is the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush, like the rose gold handle basically. They have this in like other handles basically, I don't know. And I'm gonna take Cake Mix, which is this one right here, and pop that as a transition colour. So basically putting it in the crease and blending that upwards. I love this colour, can I just say? Blood Sugar is probably my favourite palette of all time. And Cake Mix is one of my favourite shades. It's just so universal. And it's honestly the perfect transition shade for all, like for the colour palette that this palette has, you know? Like, it's just perfect. Next, I'm going to get a slightly different brush. I'm going to get like a smaller, like more rounded, fluffy brush. And I am going to take, I'm so confused. I've got notes on what I did for this look. So I'm going to take Fresh Meat, which is this really dark red shade. And I'm going to pop that in the crease, obviously underneath the transition colour. I'm also going to sit properly. This might be TMI, but like I have such a sore stomach right now, and I think it's like not too bad. It's not like properly sore where I'd worry, but I think I've just got throat gas. It like really hurts. So the more you know. I'm going in with quite a light hand at first because obviously these shadows are really pigmented. Yeah, I did this look ages ago, and I've been wanting to recreate it for a video for ages, so I thought I finally would. Okay, so I'm going to take a teeny tiny little fluffy brush and the shade Cherry Soda, which is like a lighter red, just next to it. And I'm going to just kind of, that's not what I wanted. I'm going to blend out that shade a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to take that same like smaller blendy brush, or smaller fluffy brush that I had Fresh Meat on. I'm going to take Fresh Meat and Cherry Soda, so these two, and pop them in the outer corner. Okay, I'm going to take a clean brush that's very similar to the one we just used, and take, hang on, there we go, Coma, which is this dark purple here, and we're going to put this basically in the inner corner and like a tiny bit in the crease just to darken up a bit. So on the lid I'm taking this really tiny little flat brush. This is the Blank Canvas E27. It's not like a double-ended brush, but it's like the side I'm using is the E27 side. And we're going to take Blood Sugar, which is this shimmery red here, and pop that all over the lid. Not all of it, not the full way along, but like 2/3 of the way along. And can I just say, I'm using this dry, and it is perfect. Oh, got a tiny bit of fallout there, but we'll sort that out in a minute. Okay, I'm going to take the brush that I used to put fresh meat on my eye, just to blend over the corners of the blood sugar that's going up into the crease, because I don't want it to be like a cut crease looking, you know, I want it all to be like really nicely blended into each other. Same for this outer corner. So I'm going to get a tiny little bit more of fresh meat just to blend over these edges. Okay, so I'm going to take this really small little brush again and cherry soda, which is like the second lightest red, and I'm going to run that along the bottom lash line. Okay, I'm going to add a tiny little bit of fresh meat just to the outer corner of the like bottom lash line, just to kind of tie that in with the top. And then I'm going to take a really tiny little brush and the colour Sweetener, which is like this colour here, it's the gold colour. I'm going to pop that on my inner corner. And then on top of that, to really brighten it up, I'm going to add Candy Floss, which is this light pink shimmer here. Okay, I'm going to use the Revolution Renaissance Flick, I want to call this. Is it that's what it's called? I don't know, it just says Revolution on it. The gold liquid liner from Revolution, and I'm going to do a quick line. Oh, I'm running out of batteries. I'm going to turn this off for 2 seconds while I do this, and we'll come back. Okay, so my battery ran out of power. So on my lips I have lined with the NYX retractable lip liner in Vanilla Sky, and I have the Rimmel Kate Moss nude lipstick in the shade 42 on, and I've also lined my lower waterline with the NYX Full White Seashell. It's like a light pink liner. And I'm also going to quickly add on some e.l.f. I think it's lip oil, but it's like a lip gloss basically, in the shade Pink Kiss, because honestly this lip combination is so pretty. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, this look, the video, anything, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and leave me a comment if you have any other like eye looks you'd like me to either like recreate or just anything you'd like to see. Let me know something about yourselves in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!